Follow me. Follow me.
Follow Caillou.
That's it. Follow me. Follow the leader.
Caillou loved to play Follow the Leader because it meant everyone could play together.
Now hop backwards.
Well, almost everyone. Andy was new to Caillou's preschool, and he wasn't joining in the fun.
Oh, sorry, Andy. Do you want to play Follow the Leader?
No. Andy lives on my street. I ask him to play at the park, but he never wants to play.
Really? Why?
I don't know.
Caillou didn't believe that Andy didn't want to play. Everybody liked to play with friends.
Hi, Andy. Do you want to do a puzzle with me?
No,
What are you drawing?
nothing.
I'm just trying to be friends.
I don't want to be friends.
I don't want to be friends either.
Caillou was upset. His feelings were hurt by what Andy said. And he was still upset about it later that night.
Dinner's almost ready, Caillou. My goodness, why the long face?
Long face?
That means, why do you look so sad?
Andy at preschool doesn't like me.
Really? Did he tell you that?
He said he didn't want to play with me and didn't want to be my friend. So I said I didn't want to be his friend either.
But I thought you liked being friends with everybody.
Yeah, I do.
So you didn't mean it when you said you didn't want to be friends. And maybe Andy didn't really mean what he said either. You need to think about why Andy said what he did. Maybe he just didn't want to play what you were playing.
I'm going to keep trying to be friends with Andy.
That's my Caillou.
Caillou was determined to be friends with Andy.
Hi, Andy. Want to play?
No,
You don't like soccer? What games do you like? I like tag and follow the leader and hide and seek.
But being Andy's friend was certainly harder than he thought it would be.
Caillou? Can you play? Okay, Rosie. You go set up. I'll be there soon. I want to ask Daddy something. Daddy, how can I find out what someone else is thinking?
You could just ask them.
But what if they don't talk much?
Well, that makes it harder for sure. You could try to see things from their point of view.
How do you do that?
Try to see the world the way that they do, like you're seeing out of their eyes.
Like this? I'm seeing the same way Gilbert does.
That's right.
Caillou decided to try seeing things from Andy's point of view.
Follow me.
Caillou had to admit the other children were pretty loud. Maybe Andy didn't like loud noises.
You look like you're thinking hard about something, Caillou.
Andy really likes drawing.
Yes, he certainly does.
He doesn't like running around making noise like the rest of us do.
No. Different children like to play in different ways.
Caillou suddenly knew how he could be Andy's friend. He would play with Andy the way Andy liked to play.
Tag, you're it, Caillou.
Thanks, but I don't want to play tag today.
I'm it. Here I come.
Caillou waited for Andy to talk first.
What's that?
I'm drawing a castle.
You should draw flags. Castles always have flags on top.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Hey, Caillou. What are you doing?
I'm playing Follow the Leader.
Huh?
Andy's the leader.
Caillou was pretty sure that he and Andy were friends now, even if they didn't exactly say so in words.
Here I come. You can't get me. Gotcha. Now you're it.
It wasn't easy, but Caillou had made a new friend, and it was wonderful.
That's right, movie fans. Mr. Alias vs. Duck Danger Spy Wars Part 42 opens in 300 days. I'm Ken Tinselton, reporting to you live from the theater that will premiere this blockbuster in 10 months. Right where I'm standing will undoubtedly be a massive line of Spy Wars fans. And what are you doing?
I'm now officially the first in line.
Folks, this is one true blue movie fan, to be sure.
This is gonna be fantasmical. I'm gonna be the first customary in line. This can't be. I'm the #1 fan of this particular movie franchise.
Morning, bub. Say, what's the big idea?
You snooze, you lose, Woodpecker.
I've been here for 282 days, 13 hours, and 28 minutes, pal. This spot's mine.
We'll flip for it. Tails, I win.
I can make a big sale for you, bub. Be right back. Red Hots, get your free hot dogs here. All you can eat. How's about a dog? Just step out of line and up to beefy goodness.
I'm a vegetarian.
That'll be $8.
Add this to the bill.
Dirk Danger, my hero. Bye-bye, silly little man.
This guy's starting to make me sick. That's it. You win, pal. You can have first place. I could be real contagious. You don't want to be around me. You want to be as far away as you can get.
You sound constipated. Is there anything I could do?
Promise me, you'll enjoy the movie without me. Ooh, yeah.
No, Woody. Don't go into the light. I'll do anything to help you.
If only I were first in line.
Anything.
Thanks, Bob. I'm the first one for...
I'm gonna teach you to play on my symphonies, Woodpecker. One, please. Oh, why, thank you. Enjoy the show.
What?
End of the line, pal. No cuts.
300 days, 8 hours, and 37 minutes in line. Wasted. One ticket, please.
Congratulations! You are the 1 millionth movie fan here to see Mr. Alias versus Dirk Danger.
Yeah, so I was first.
But now you've won this amazing spy kit. Plus, you get your choice of any seat in the house and movie tickets for life!
Oh, boy! Excuse me, but I want you to have this for all we've meant to each other. No hard feelings.
Yeah, sure. Loser.